There are so many streaming platforms available on the internet, but one of the biggest and most popular globally is Netflix. And you want to register a Netflix account but don't know how to go about it. The good news is in this video I will show you how to set up a Netflix account in Nigeria, and you can see it says unlimited movies, TV shows and more. Starts at 2,200 monthly, cancel anytime. So that is just it. Are you ready to watch? Enter your email to create or restart your membership. So let's say you don't have an account at all. You look at this box, then you put in your email address. Please note, both on the phone and on the computer, it is the same way to set up a Netflix account. Just go to netflix.com on your browser, not inside the Netflix app, but on your browser. Anyway, even if you go to the Netflix app and you want to register, it will redirect you to the registration page, which is the homepage, of course, netflix.com. Alright, so put in your email address. When you put in your email address, please make sure it is correct, then click on get started. After putting your email address, then it will bring you to this screen where it will ask you to finish setting up your account. Netflix is personalized for you. Create a password to watch on any device at any time. So you click on next. This will bring you to where it will ask you to add a password. Please make sure you use a strong password, suggesting at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one special character, and at least one number. Please do not email me Netflix special offers. You can check this box if you don't want to subscribe to their mailing list. But the good thing about subscribing is you can always get special offers and every other thing Netflix is rolling out, and updates on the new films coming and the likes. But if you want to keep your inbox clean and you don't want a lot of messages coming in from Netflix, then you can just click please do not email me Netflix special offers. After clicking on next, it will bring you to the page where you need to choose your plan, which is step 2 of 3. No commitment, cancel anytime. Everything on Netflix for one low price, no ads and no extra fees ever. So when you subscribe to any of the plans, you have access to all the shows, all the films on Netflix. Click on next. So there are different plans on Netflix, but I will explain as fast as possible just for you to have an insight into what you are subscribing to. First plan is mobile. If you know the only thing you'll be watching Netflix on is your mobile phone, then it is pointless considering every other subscription on this page. Just select the mobile, which is 2,200 Naira monthly. Video and sound quality is just fair. Resolution is 480p. If you don't know what 480p is, 480p is one of the lowest resolutions in the video and film industry. 720p you can see is HD, then 1080p is full HD, then 4K Ultra HD plus HDR. That is on the premium plan. So for the mobile plan, you have access to it on your mobile phone, on your tablet. Devices your household can watch at a time, just one device. Download device, just one. That means you can't share this account on 2 phones and watch at the same time. You can only watch on one device at a time. Then the basic plan, this is for TVs, computer, mobile phone, tablet, everything you can watch on, but at the same time you can only watch on one device at a time. You can only download on one device at a time. The video quality and sound quality is good enough for you, and the monthly price is 3,500. Then the standard monthly price is 5,500. Video quality and sound quality, great resolution, 1080p. You can also watch on TV, computer, mobile phone and tablet. You can watch on 2 devices at the same time, and you can download on 2 devices. But the biggest and the most popular plan is the premium plan, which is 4K plus HDR, 7,000 Naira monthly. The video and sound quality is the best you can get. Resolution is 4K Ultra HD, clean and immersive enough. Spatial audio, immersive sound included, almost sounding like you are at the cinemas. Supported devices, the same again, TV, computer, mobile phone, tablet. Devices your household can watch at the same time, meaning 4 people can watch on 4 different screens at the same time. 1 on the phone, 1 on the computer, 2 on the screen, on the TV screen, and on, and 6 devices can actually download content across the account. So now that we've gotten this out of the way, let's proceed to picking one subscription. It doesn't matter whichever one you pick, the process from here on is the same. So we will select the plan. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I am selecting standard, which is 5,500 Naira monthly. Click on next, and here is where you choose how to pay. Select credit card, then you put in your card details, credit or debit card details. Make sure your card number is actually correct, exactly the way it is on your card. Then put in the expiry date just below the card number in the front of the card. So put in your CCV, which is at the back of your card. That's the 3 digits at the back of your card. Then put in your card name. Click on I agree. By checking the checkbox below, you agree to the terms and privacy statement, and you are over 18. Netflix will automatically continue your membership and charge a membership fee, which is currently 5,500 monthly. This is subject to change because of the dynamic and fluid movement of the Naira against the dollar. But currently, it is 5,500 monthly. Continue your membership and charge the membership fee to your payment method until you cancel. You may cancel at any time to avoid future charges. Remember, anytime you don't want to subscribe again, you can easily log in into your Netflix account and cancel your subscription. Click on I agree, then click start membership. Note, even if you are doing this on the phone, the display will be the same. Maybe just the way it arranged stuff on the screen might be a little bit different, but it is the same. For this card, it is not asking for OTP, not asking for anything. It just charges the card straight up. But in your own case, it might be asking you for OTP, and you will get a code on your phone. Just put in the code and verify the payment, and it will also bring you to this page which says welcome to Netflix. You've started your membership, and we emailed the details to your email address will be listed. Remember, you can cancel anytime in your account section. Set your password recovery. Now you can put in your phone number to set up password recovery just in case you don't have access to your email again or you need to change something in your account. But for now, let us skip this and go on to next. So this is it right now. Because I'm recording this tutorial on the computer, it is saying what device will you be watching on. Automatically spotted the computer, but then I will select every other device here so it can be easier. What is remaining is for you to just set up your profile. The first profile is automatically your own name. Then you can add more profiles. And what are profiles on Netflix? Profiles are different homepage for different people. It's just like everyone has their own interface. When you log into Netflix, you'll be asked to select a profile. By selecting this profile, continue watching, suggestion, the kind of movies you love to see based on what you watch will be there waiting for you, so that someone else using the account too can also have their own profile. Let's say they are action lover, they can keep watching their action films without showing up in your own K-drama account. So that is basically the whole point of profile in Netflix. So let's move on. Let's just add one more. You can as well add an account for the kids and select the account type to be kids, and they will be able to watch kids content without having to see adult content. That is basically exactly what I was just saying. You select if any of the account belongs to kids, and once you check it, it will regulate the account and make it kid friendly. Alright, let's move on. Click on next. Language, of course English. You can select Japanese or any other language you think you like. So you'll be asked to pick 3 films here. So when you pick these 3 films, this is what will guide Netflix into selecting the kind of films. Let's just say we do this and move on. Now we are done. That is how to register and pay for a Netflix account. And immediately this is done, you will be redirected back to the Netflix homepage where you can now watch anything you like. For more helpful videos like this, how to set up a Spotify account, how to pay for your Spotify account, the dollar card that can be used to pay on Apple Store, how to trade forex, how to, just about anything you can think in your head that has to do with money, tech, or entertainment, just come to our channel Bill Bridge, where we teach all things money and that will make your life easy. My name is Tyler the Wizard and this is Bill Bridge. See you in the next video.